Atharva, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Atharva, I need to wait for to check if there are any other participants. Otherwise, I can just start with you right away. So we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Hello, Atharva. You belong to CBSE board. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll wait for a few minutes to check if there are any other participants. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Atharva, do you use honeycomb book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have that book with you?
No, but I have a PDF.
So just share that PDF with me. You can send me on my WhatsApp number. Take down my WhatsApp number 9833. Atharva, are you noting down my number? Atharva, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Tell your number.
Yeah, 9833
9833
106
106
382.
382. Okay.
Yeah. So just share that PDF with me because I have the textbook, actual textbook, but not the PDF.
Okay. Ma'am, can I share the screen?
No, you will not be allowed to save because it's only the host who can share. So you just send this PDF on my WhatsApp number.
Which chapter?
No, no, you have the PDF, full PDF of the textbook, no,
No,
or
I
only
have
chapter.
only chapter 1 PDF.
Okay, so share that one with me now.
Okay.
Okay, and from where did you get the PDF? Which link did you get the PDF?
Some Byju's.
Okay.
But ma'am, I am from my computer.
Okay, so you will not be able to share.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, I'll just check. It seems there are no other participants, so I have to just start with you. So, Atharva, for
Huh?
the first lesson, three questions by Leo Tolstoy. Right, we will
Yes.
start with that in the honeycomb textbook. Okay, I will be sharing a video with you. Now, when I'm sharing the video,
Huh?
I'll just play it for a few seconds. Then I
Huh?
will ask you whether the sound is audible or not.
Okay.
So you tell me and then we'll continue. Okay, just a minute while I share. Atharva, just wait, okay?
In the ground now went can
You are in which school, Atharva?
LKPS.
Which one?
LKPS, local and public school.
Okay, okay. LKPS. Kalyan East.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, your network bandwidth is low.
What?
Network bandwidth is low.
Yeah, actually, I'm trying to, see if the video is available. Otherwise, I'll just, because now the textbook PDF also I'm trying to get. It seems it's not there.
If you always knew the right time to begin everything, if he knew who were the right people to listen to and who to avoid, and above all, if he always knew what was the most important thing to do.
Okay, I'll just start it. Let me but just get the textbook. Textbook is also there.
Three Questions by Leo Tolstoy. It once occurred to a certain king that if he always knew the right time to begin everything, if he knew
Okay, Atharva, I'll just start explaining this. Okay. In the meanwhile, I'll just see if the video is available. So, first of all, the author of the story is Leo Tolstoy. He's a Russian author. Now, in this short story, that is, there is some disturbance in the voice. You can put yourself on mute. Is my voice audible? Atharva, you could hear me? Atharva, you are able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, where is the sound is coming? Yes, ma'am.
I'll check if there are other participants.
Huh?
There is no other participant, so it seems the disturbance is from your side. You can put yourself on mute.
Ma'am, can I leave and rejoin again?
No, no, no need. Just put yourself on mute.
का?
Okay, we'll just start now. So, this story, that is the three questions, it is written by Leo Tolstoy. Now, this explores the theme of wisdom. Means, in this, the main message is that we should be wise. Then acceptance in the sense, if you have done some mistake, or if there are people of other type, okay, who are not matching to your personality, you should be ready to accept them. Then kindness, we should always be kind. And then forgiveness, you should be ready to forgive others mistakes, right? These are the main themes of the story. Now this story is about a king who wants to know the answer of the three questions so as to get enlightenment. Okay, now enlightenment means what? Enlightenment means he wants to become knowledgeable person, okay, so that he can actually connect with the supreme power. In order to run the kingdom in a proper way, he wanted to know the solutions from his countrymen. Now, so he was having democratic approach. He did not wanted to impose his way. He don't wanted to force his way on the normal people. He wanted solution from his countrymen for whatever problems they are facing. So what he used to do, he used to disguise himself. Disguise means he used to change his appearance so that no one should identify him as a king. So he might be looking like an ordinary person, and then went on to find solutions to his answers. Now there was a hermit. A hermit means like a sage, a sadhu. So hermit tells the king that all the answers are within himself. So there is no need for king to roam here and there. In case if he sits in silence, he can actually get the problems of his answers, of his questions. By helping the wounded man and by spending time with the hermit, he gets to know answers to his questions. So now here he is actually spending time with the wounded man as well as the hermit. Finally and ultimately, he actually gets the answers to his question, which he got through self-realization. See, whatever problems we have, we can actually solve those problems, okay, once we realize ourselves, right? And he learned to do good to others without thinking about own self. That's what he learned about, right? So that was the main idea of this lesson. Okay, so in the textbook we will just I'll just see if the video is playing again, or else I'll just start from the textbook itself. Okay. Purti Chaudhary, you have just joined in.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me check if there are other participants. Okay, no other participants. So Purti, did you understood this summary that I have just explained?
Teacher, I joined just now.
Okay, okay. The time was 4:30, so try to be on time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Other class was on.
Acha, you have some other lecture from the school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, students, I'll just share a short video with you all. You can just see this about 3 questions. There are no much words, but only music is there, and you can just see what is written. Okay, students?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कंफर्ट जर्म प्रोटेक्ट दवाई की स्मेल सुनो जी कल तो कपड़े आप ही ने धोए थे ना सेफ्टी के लिए ना कंफर्ट जर्म प्रोटेक्ट 99% मीटर मिटाए और 3 रुपए इतनी खुश कंफर्ट जर्म प्रोटेक्ट
Okay, students, here we will just see first of all the 3 questions. So now you have understood that there was a king who had these 3 questions, who wanted to get enlightened, right? So now here, which were the 3 questions that the king was looking for the answers? The first question is, what's the right time to begin something? Second question is, okay, what's the most important person, or who is the most important person to listen to? Then you have, what's the most important job to be done? So here we have actually the answers in this photo. So what is the right time to begin something? It's the present time, without wasting time, okay, without thinking about future, that I will do this thing after few minutes, tomorrow I will start, from new year I will start. No, whenever you want to do something good, you have to start right away. Second, who is the most important person to listen to? Okay, it's companion, okay, with whom you are. It could be your parents, because now your parents are your companions, or it could be sometimes your classmates, okay, or your relatives or teachers, okay. Then the most important job to be done, what is that? It's not just to complete your own work. See, if you're saying that we are working for our house, we are working for our family, that everyone is doing, even the animals are doing that. So what is the difference between animals and human beings? Human beings are more intelligent, they are more sensitive, and they have sense that it's not just we have to live the life for ourselves, we have to do something good for others also. That will actually make us a true human being. So these are the answers. Now we will also see the story. We'll complete this video first. Okay, students, now I'll just summarize this lesson to you. So there was a king who's actually in search of these questions. He's going to a hermit. So when he's going to the hermit, okay, he expected that hermit should answer his questions immediately. But then hermit was actually busy in doing something. Okay, he was actually clearing the snow. So that was he was involved in, and that's why he did not paid heed to the king. Paid heed means he did not pay any attention to the king. Okay, so now here king waited for some time, and then he thought, rather than I just waiting, it's better that I should help the hermit. Because how was the condition of the hermit? The hermit was actually an old person, and he was looking weak from his built, and then from his appearance he was looking quite weak, right? So that was